In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to run Instagram engagement ads. Now, if you want to get more social proof in your Instagram account, you want likes, you want comments, you want your account to look like a professional account, you want to make your account stand out and look professional, then you're going to find this video helpful. And even if you want to make sales, all right, so if this is you, you're going to find this video helpful. So make sure you like this video and you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss out on any important information. So guys, to run engagement ad, comes to facebook.com/ads manager. Alright, so you want to run engagement ad directly from your ads manager because you're going to get more control here instead of you just boosting posts. Alright. Now once you come to your ads manager, it's going to take you to these windows. Right, just select the right ad account you want to use. So I want to use this ad account to run ads. So I'm just going to select this one. So you're going to see a windows like this. Now to create your ad, just click on this create here, right? Click on this create here. Then select engagement, alright? Now why is engagement ad important? Maybe you want to run a conversion ad and you want to get a few social proof here, maybe a few like, comments. Then engagement engagement ad is you're going to get the engagement ad is the best bet for you, right? Especially if you are in a niche where trust is really an issue. All right, so you want to run engagement ad first and get a little like, a little comment, a little shares. Then you can now pick that same post and use it to run a conversion ad. All right, and it's going to convert. All right, but it's not a must to must run engagement ad first if you want to run conversion ad. Alright, the other thing again engagement ad can do for you is that it's going to make your profile just stand out, alright, because when you start getting likes, comments, and shares, it's social proof. People will perceive that, oh, this business is getting likes, comment. That means it's a big brand, it's a big company, and all that. So just going to give you that boost in the minds of your audience, right? So maybe you just want to get likes, comments, shares, then the engagement ad is the best bet. When you select this campaign objective engagement, Facebook or Instagram is going to go all in and look for people that are more likely to like your ad, comment, and even share it. Right, so you're going to get bunch of engagement, right, for your Instagram ad. And most times, people use this engagement ad to get sales too, right? So that's just how it works. So select engagement ad, then click on next, click on continue either, right? Then you can select manual engagement campaign, click on continue. Right here, you can rename your campaign here. But let me see black one. Just to rename your campaign. Oh, this is the name of this my ad is black one, so that I can remember it when I come back. And always select asset budget. You can turn this off, right? Then you can click on next, right? Now asset column, right? Where you do your targeting, people you want to reach, the audience, the age, the location. That is how you do that. So I want to target broad. I want to go broad. Always go broad, right? Like leave the targeting empty. That's what I mean by broad. Now conversion location. Do you want, as you're running the ad, you want people to send you message? Like there should be a messaging button in the ad, or you just want direct engagement. If you want direct engagement, so you can remove it from message destination, and you can select on your ad. Right, when you select on your ad, you're going to see engagement type. You can now select video views or post engagement. Now, what does this views mean? It means that Instagram is going to show your ad, your post, to people that are more likely to view your video. That means you're going to get bunch of video views, right? You're going to get a lot of video views. But if you select this post engagement, Instagram is going to show your advert to people that are more likely to engage, not just watch, but like, comment, and even share it and even save it. All right. So this is the best if you want engagement. If you want like, comment, then this is what you should select. Post engagement, right? Then performance goals. You cannot say maximize engagement with a post, right? And you are good to go. That is if you want social proof your ad, you want likes, you want comments, you want shares, then this is the best settings you want to go for, right? Then daily budget, you can decide to enter 3,000 naira here to test, right? And all that. Now, for this, let's come back to this commercial location. Let's say you want engagement, but at the same time, you don't just want the traffic to just be wasting like that. You also want to use one store to, hit two bed. Then instead of selecting commercial location, remove it from on your ad and put it at message destination. This setting is best for you if you are selling, right? Let's say you are selling a physical product, you're even selling a service, right? So you can get few conversions, few sales, and few others with this, right? Now select message destination, you can decide to leave it at automatic destination or you can select manual destination, right? Then you can now untick messenger. Maybe you just wanted to send you a message on WhatsApp, you can just let it. But most times, you can just decide to off WhatsApp and on only Instagram. Right? If you don't have Instagram account connected to your ad manager, just click on this connect account. Right? Click on this connect account. You can click on next. You can decide to choose the page you want. You can click on next and you are good to go. Most times, Meta is going to prompt you to log in your Instagram account. So just put in your Instagram username and password, and you'll be able to connect your Instagram account right here, right? And you can just decide to turn off WhatsApp, turn off Messenger, and just tick only Instagram so that people can send you message on Instagram instead, even though you're running an engagement campaign. So let me select another page. Now I just selected another page here, right? A page for one of my clients I'm working with, right? Now I can now so that I can show you the one that has Instagram profile here already. So I will now select manual destination here. I'll now untick Messenger and untick WhatsApp, right? Now I now have only Instagram here. This means that when I'm running my engagement campaign, people will have the option to send me a message on my IG, right? So you see, I turn off WhatsApp and Messenger. So that's how you can do that. But if you just want pure engagement, that is when you now come to commercial location. Then you select on your ad, then you select post engagement, all right, and you're good to go, all right. Then another good thing about engagement post is that maybe you create an ads newly, you create a new ad account, you want to warm up your ad account. You can also use engagement ads just to warm your account to get the algorithm to trust your account, right? Because Meta finds new ad accounts as risk, right? As a high risk user, because people those days they try to create new ad accounts just to scam people, all right, scam people and all that. So Facebook see a new advertiser as a threat to their users. So you want to use engagement ad to warm up your ad account and get the algorithm trust, right? So that's another um um part of running engagement ad, right? So you can see there are a lot of reasons why you should run engagement ad, right? Not just for social proof, but you can also use it to warm up your account, especially if you have a new ad account, right? Now, once you have selected message destination, you can now decide to select performance goal. You can decide to see maximize numbers of conversation. What does this mean? Meta is going to show your ad to people that are more likely to send you a message, right? So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to select post engagement, right? Just select post engagement. So I want social proof, right? Then start date, you can leave it to start today. Right, then audience, I'll just show more control. The only thing here we just do, I'll just change my minimum age, which is your target audience. What's your target audience minimum age? Can 18 years and above afford your offer? If yes, leave it. If no, select your target audience here. So I'll just select 24. Maybe I'm selling real estate. I think 24 and above would get that, alright. Or I'm selling clothes, shoes, or even you know a service, right? So I'll just scroll down. Now you see this location. If you want to target a specific city, you can just type Abuja. Let's try to set to Abuja. Let's say you are a service base that is only within Abuja, that you just want people with Abuja to see your post. Can select Abuja here. But if your service is nationwide, then there is no point trying to, you know, fighting the algorithm. Just leave it at the whole of Nigeria. right? Especially if you sell a digital product, leave it at the whole of Nigeria. But if what you are offering, you can only offer it within a specific state, like Lagos State, Rivers State. Please enter your state here, right? Then click on this, then you can select current city only, so that it does not expand, right? And it's going to target, it's going to show your ads to only within the specific state you pinpoint. But note that running ads with specific state is much expensive, right? And when you just leave it to run within the whole of Nigeria, right? So get that too, because a lot of people might be bidding for that particular location too, right? Then most times you can decide to, if you don't want to be strict, if you want more better results, you can decide to leave this on. Reach more people likely to respond to your ads. But if you want to be strict, you can just tick this off. But note, if you untick it, your ad is going to be much more expensive, targeting a specific state, right? But if you just want your ad to show to the whole of the country, then remove it and put Nigeria here, right? And you are good to go, right? Or London, you know, California, wherever city you want to reach, you want to target, right? Not just Nigeria, all right? Now, once you are, the next thing again here is your suggest an audience, right? Look at it, suggest an audience, this one here. You can click on show more settings, then data targeting, this data targeting, you can decide to leave it empty, right? This data targeting, just leave it empty, go broad, right? The algorithm know the people that are more likely to watch your ad, engage on it, they have all the data because they know their users very well. They understand their users, they know the videos they watch, the links they click, people they message, people they follow, the kind of things they do off and inside of Meta technology. All right. So Meta knows your target audience. Just leave it empty. Don't restrict the algorithm. All right. Now placement, this is here we restrict it to only Instagram. All right. You want to pay attention here. Now, under this placement, click on show more settings. Right, then platforms. Under platforms, this one. Under platforms, let me show you again. Now, other platforms, this place here. Click on this pencil icon here. Right, click on this pencil icon here. Click on it. Then untick Facebook. Look at it. I have untick Facebook. Right, you want to untick. If Messenger is tick here, untick Messenger, untick WhatsApp, untick Thread, untick Audience Network. We just want our ad to run on Instagram only, right? Because this video is all about how to run engagement ad on Instagram. We want to focus on Instagram, right? To get our engagement on Instagram, especially if your business is running fully on Instagram, right? Or you just want you just want to focus your budget on your Instagram, then why not? Right? Then once you have selected Instagram, you can now click on next to proceed. Right, then my ad name, I can just name it here. Let's say I'm wearing a black shirt here, or the hook of my video. Right, I can just to know that, oh, this is the video that I'm running. This is the ad I'm running. Now, on this ad setup, of course, you want to use an existing post. What does this mean? You want to go to your normal Instagram, which is your Instagram or your app, be from your iPhone or your Android phone. Go to your Instagram app, post your normal post there. It could be a picture or a video. After you have posted it, you cannot come back here and tick use existing posts, all right? Because you want the social proof to show your profile. Once you click use existing posts, although you can create from here by clicking on create ad, but I prefer you just select use existing posts as the default. Sometimes Meta is going to suggest some videos for you, but if you don't see the video you want to get engagement on, click on this select post, right? Then you can now be browsing and browsing and browsing and looking for the posts you want to get more engagement on. Let's say you're getting engagement, you're getting small engagement in this one before. I want to boost the engagement. You can just select this particular post, right? Select it. You can click on continue, right? Now, you can see now this is the post now. This is the post now. Look at how it's going to show on Instagram, right? Then you can now scroll down. Look at the caption of the post. It's here automatically. You can't edit it. Now for the call to action, You can't edit the call to action because is this post is used to run another ad, right? So once you have done all this, you can now click on always select the once you have done all this, you can now click on publish, right? And your Instagram engagement post is going to go live, right? So that's exactly how you do that. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel if you have gained value, right? But let me use another before I end this video. Let me use another post that I'm not using to run ads to demonstrate this to you. Right, so let me use this first. Now I've selected another post. Now look at the call to action button and it's showing me add button. So click on the add button. You can decide to add whatever you want to add there. You can decide to see send message and boom. Once you click on update post, they will be able to send you a message. Or if you want to learn more, you can put in your website link here, your website URL if you have a website. Right, and it's just going to be the first call to action where you click on learn more. Even though you're running an engagement ad, people that are more curious, they will go to your website, or you can decide to select message, send message, and they're going to send you message on Instagram, right? So just click update post. Now look at the button now on the post or network, right? But with this option now, you can able to run. It's going to show instead of showing learn more, it's going to show send message, right? And that is how you can do that. Right. Then one more advice I have for you if I end this video. If you have a big, let's say you are running a conversion ad for now. What do I mean by conversion ad? Conversion ad are ad where you run to get conversion. Like you want instances, you want lead. You don't just want engagement. Like you want instances, you want to generate leads. Those are what we mean by, conversion ad. If you have big budget, there's no point coming to come and run engagement ad, right? Because with your big budget, within the long run, you're also going to get engagement in your ad, right? But it's going to take a little bit of time, but you are going to get engagement. But if you have small budget, that is when it really makes sense to use, to run engagement ad first. Then later, when you are going to some social proof, then you can now, run conversion ads, all right, and you're good to go, right? So you don't want to miss this up, right? So I guess you understand this clearly, right? And I don't know why network is not reviewing the ads, right? But with what I've showed you, that is exactly how you can do that, right? So I trust I've gained value in this video. So if you really gain value in this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, right? Especially if you want to take your business to the next level, you want to increase your sales, you want to increase your business revenue this year, then this is a channel you should always hang around with, right? And I guarantee you, if you watch more videos in this channel, your business is going to go to the next level, right? Because the livelihood of every business is to generate sales, generate leads. Right? So that is what I do here. I show you how to get consistent sales, consistent leads in your business or your client's business, right? So make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and watch other videos in this channel. If you want to learn how to run an actual Instagram conversion ads, I mean, has that lead to sales or has that leads to getting leads, people that are ready to buy. Click on this video shown at the top of your screen to learn how to run Instagram conversion ad, right? Until then, I'm going to see you on my next video. Peace out.